in the editing. All right, so now I'm going to share my screen for us to go into the practical session. Let me share my screen. Okay, so let me know if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, then we'll go into the practical session. And I promise that I'm going to show people who do not have Wikipedia account how to create one practically on the webinar, and then we go into the session quickly. So very good, thank you. So now let me show you, if you don't have any Wikipedia account, this is how you create a Wikipedia account. So you go into your Google Chrome browser or any other browser that you have on your phone or your computer. Then you are going to type ee.wikipedia.org. You are going to type ee.wikipedia.org. The EE is an isonym that represents EWI on Wikipedia. So ee.wikipedia.org. We also have other languages like the Twi, we have Dagbani and other ones, but the EWI is EE. That is the short word or abbreviation used to represent the EWI. So you click on enter or OK. Then after you click on enter or OK on your computer or on your phone, you look at a hamburger icon like this at the left top corner. And when you click on it, you should be able to see a menu like this on your phone. But if you're on your computer, you will see the menu at the top over here. So this is what you see, Gede Eme, which means login. So you click on the login button. You click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, it will ask you to log in. Now, because you don't have a Wikipedia account, you are not going to log in. What you're going to do instead is you are going to scroll to the bottom and you'll see this Wikipedia, which means sign up for Wikipedia. Wikipedia. When you see this, you click on it. Now, when you click on this, then you'll be given a couple of things to fill up. So you are going to fill these informations, your informations over here. Ezazanko, which is the username. What username do you want to use? Do you want to use your personal name? Do you want to add some alphabet numbers to it? Do you want to use your nickname or a name that you want to be known for on Wikipedia? And whichever name you choose here, you cannot change it. So once you type a name, it remains permanent. Now over here, Obenka Emovunya, which means password. So you type your password here and it should be 8 characters, not less than 8 characters. Then you repeat the password here, Dokpe Mobunyaji, which means confirm your password. Then after this, you type your email. Now this part is very important because when you lost your password, you will be asked the email to recover the account. When your email is not working, it will be difficult for you to get a code to recover your account. So when you are typing here, you type your email that is active and working. Then you come down and type the word that is shown in the app here. You type it here and you click on what? Sign up, which is which is sign up. So once you click on sign up, then you are officially registered on EWI Wikipedia. I hope the process is very simple. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. That is very, very simple. So that is for people who do not have an account. But because I have an account, I'll go here to this place, Gede Emen, and my account name on Wikipedia is Azobli. Then I'll type my password. Then I'll log in. I think there is a problem with the password. Okay. So I have logged in. And once you log in, once you have your password and your username and you log in, this is how the interface looks like. So you see your username at the top here. You can see my name at the top here. Then you also see other menus at the top here. If you want to log out, this is where the logout is. You will see an icon here that represents the logout. And you have other things here that we are going to look at later on. This is where you get your notification, like just like Facebook notification or Instagram notification. This is where you get all your notification on the platform if they have any message for you. Now, this is the official homepage of every Wikipedia. Ways over every Wikipedia G. So you can see this thing over here. Now, what we are going to do today is we want to look for articles that do not have punctuations, or the punctuations are not complete, or they do not have links, or they do not have references, or they do not have citations. And what we are going to do simple is to add those citations to the article. I think that is very simple. So I'm going to share where the articles are. I have compiled a couple of them yesterday that we can use and that we will be sharing and what we'll be doing with it. So let me open. So these are the articles. These are the articles that we are going to be using. When you look at it, it's called article cleanup. So we have the original articles over here in English, and we have the translated articles over here, and the links are here. So this is the English article. This is the every article. Now, what you're going to be doing over here is that once I am done showing you how to put punctuations, how to put links, how to put citations, and all those things on the article, you are going to select one of the articles here. And when you select it, we have columns here like original article, translated article, status, and name of editor. So over here, name of editor, if I am the one working on the first article, number 2, okay, I'm going to put my name here. So I'm going to put, I'm going to open it and put Azobli over there, or Christopher over there. So once I put it there, it means I am the one who is working on this article, and no one is supposed to come and use the same article, because there's going to be problem when 2 people are working on the same article. They will be deleting and cleaning each other's work, which will cause a lot of conflict on the platform, and Wikipedia will end up deleting the entire article without any concern. So we want 1 person per article. Once you write your name against the article, when you start, you can select this drop down menu over here. So you can see get started, in progress, pending, completed. So when I am starting with this article, I'm going to click on started, which means I have started this article. So no one should come and start this article. If another person comes, the person can choose any other article from the list here, write their name against the name of articles that we have, like under the name of editor, and choose if they are starting. If you are not starting, maybe you are already working on it, so in progress. If it's still pending, you put there pending. If you completed the article, put there complete. So once you put all these things there, it will enable us to check if you have completed the work or where you have reached in the process. And if you need help, you can drop any information in the group, and I'll be able to support you with regards to that. I hope that is clear. So with that said, let's go into the article. Let's click. So the first thing we are going to do is, first step, click on the original article. So I'm going to click on the original article here, and it's going to open on a new tab. Then I'll come here and click on the translated article. That is also going to open in a new tab. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to match the original article to the translated article to see what is missing, because what we are doing is we want to edit and enrich the articles. What is missing? Is there a punctuation mark missing? Is there a link that is missing? Is the article not complete? If there is something that is missing, we want to add that. So that is what we are doing for this session this evening. We just want to add that to make sure the article has that quality and people can read it. So when you look at the original article, you can see that Christian Atsu, this is the article for Christian Atsu. We all know this footballer, Christian Atsu. So article has been written about him. He was born in this and he died in 2023. So this is the article. From here, up to this place. So this is the last part of the article. You can see this is the last part of the article. These ones are also part of the article. So now let's check the translated one, because it is the translated one we want to improve. So let's see if it has all the content that we have seen in the original article. So let's go. So you can see that the translated one is not even close to the original one. Looking at the number of subheadings and all those things over here, the translated one is not even close. So once you see this, the question is, what is missing? What is missing? Please, you can let me know in the chat what you are seeing in the article. What is missing? Look at the original article over here. Okay, and this is the translated article. What are some of the things that are missing that you think we can fix in the translated article to make it complete and to make it readable for anybody who comes to Ewe Wikipedia? What are some of the things that we can add, or what are the things that are missing? Please, you can let me know in the chat quickly so that we start working on it. What do you see missing in the original, in the translated article? What is missing? Yes, so someone says early life, good. The early life is missing, so you could see that no early life over here. No early life over here. Okay, another person says we have the Ewe one is limited and does not have images. It's true. This one has the image of the footballer, Christian Atsu, and this one does not have the image of the footballer. And if you also look at the bottom over here, under the image, you could see a brief profile of the footballer. Date of birth, hometown, place of birth, and all other things. Where he died, the position, the height. You could also see the clubs he played in and the goals he scored, the appearance he made in those clubs. You could also see that. And over here, we don't have it. Now, apart from these ones, what else do you see that we don't have in the translated? What else? What else do you see that we don't have in the translated article? Apart from the early life. So this is the original article. We have early life, club career. We also have the name of the clubs where he played. It's not in the translated article, right? Then in the original, we also see some links. So you could see that some of the words are in blue ink. They are in blue ink. When you come to the original, you could see that a lot of the words are in blue ink over here. Saudi Arabia, Super League, and all these things, they are in blue ink. Ghana national team, BBC, all of them are in blue link. But when you come to the translated article, you only have Ghana that is in blue link. Anything that is in blue link is linked to the original article of the word. So let's say Ghana. So when I click on Ghana, it will take me to the article Ghana. So anything here that is in blue link is linked to the original article, which means when I click on the blue link, let's assume I'm clicking on this, it means it will take me there to read about this thing. Do you get what I'm saying? So that is what the blue link does. It's a link. So now, apart from that, what about the punctuations? What can you say about the punctuations for the translated articles? Is there any problem with the punctuations? Look at the article very well. This is the first paragraph, and this is the second paragraph. Is there any problem with the punctuations? I will show you the original article that was translated to this very soon so that you'll be able to see the difference. And can you see any spelling mistakes over here? Any grammatical errors over here? Can you see any of them? Let me admit 2 people who are here so that one student. Okay, please, can you see any mistake in this article over here? When you look at this, this is the beginning of the article, Christian Atsu, and the date over here. This is what is translated over here. If you look at it, the first paragraph, this is the original article. Look at it, and I'll go back to the translated article. Let me know if you can see any error, maybe punctuation, spelling mistakes, or grammatical error in the translated one. So this is the original. I want you to look at it for a minute from the first paragraph, this one up to this part. Just look at that one, and then I'll show you the translated one for you to compare and see if there are any mistakes. Okay, so this is the translated article now. Look at it. Look at the date, look at whatever is written here, and see if there are any mistakes, punctuation, spelling error, or spelling mistakes, or grammatical, anything. Let me know. If you have anything, you can open your microphone and talk, or you can drop it in the chat. If you have identified anything, you can drop it in the chat, or okay, you can talk about it. Yes.
So the years from 10th January 1992 to 6, the year is different. It's not complete.
Okay, so when you look at it, this is the year, 10th January 1992 to 6 February 2003. Sorry, 2023.
2020.
Yes, 2023. So you could see that it did not appear here. It did not appear here. And it's everything, the spelling, are they correct? The spelling of the month, are they correct? The arrangement of the month, everything here, is it correct? Aside the name, is it correct? You can open your mic and talk if you have anything. Looking at the original article over here, 10 January 1992 to 6 February 2023, is the spelling here correct? You can open your microphone and talk.
Okay, I think the 10th January abe Jove Ewolia ole bena nyamenye ewo 10 Jovel kanye Jove Ewolia 1992.
Okay.
Then vai de kaung la ya hade pegbeme.
Okay. Akpe kaka. Ke nubu bu imejibe ma bia han yebe ale wo don Christian Atula fide ede nye Ghana fe abo pola koko si for Ahaji. If you look at here, they said he was a Ghanaian professional footballer who primarily played as a winger. Let's check the translation here to where the comma is.
The Akaji, I think it is not H, it should be X.
Okay.
I also think Abupola 11 Abupola anyanyareka because F a door on Emma Kabung O of F instead of P. You can be Lebanon or Nenemo.
Okay. Emeko. Akpe. Kama kuku medega dejesi nubu buadea. To na Abupola. Let me learn the original article. Oba was a Ghanaian professional footballer. That's what I feel. Winger. Alomia tan learn the sentence ya nuba said fee. First paragraph. Okay, let me learn kuda nuva. Majima maga try the translated article. Eke o twasi enwa. Yaga yeda afuma nemi akpobody. We miekpo chu Christian Atsufa gomejeji avasada toto jesia jia ede. Alo le tepe. Tanemi learn kuda nuva. Afi toto jesia sedwe ya. Oba to bobe yo yeji la fi. Kaka vasada emia fufu.
Mekpe be gomesesela etro complete. Mele adele ike agde niko jibe agblo afia directo.
Okay. Tanami lenkude article anton wa original one that opo mkude left back le attacking midfielder ta yema ojibe yanglo yo emia popo alo dodoma popo attacking midfielder alo le emia popo left back dodo do adele miawa
Ahia be mia ododo pa elabe emia popo a makwe be left back jatan is it left back? Yeah, left back atampo. Allow me you ke funa left ko la atampo ka ke position na ole be mi agbolo. Ke bon menye be efe emia fufu alo dodoma fufu. Dodoma fufu ya kra different. If be do ma hinu nya dodoma ke be tam guji fe dodoma. Ta mini na kra otro le akpa ya kra complete.
Okay. Akpe ke leke mi agbugbo anwụrụ mememe mi agbugbo anwụrụ cho afike wo udadalo afike hia dododo abe abụpụla akwụkwọ kakabasede emi akwụkwọ de leke mi agbugbo anwụrụ
Yo, Marokuma Gedeme.
Bereku gedeme
Akpe. Le emia fufu papa yikle dodoma nyama kuyele be ne mi segome be attacking midfielder enye titina fe akpa yike na ike edemo be ame ike le titina ma ƒo ma ate ŋu zɔ ne ŋgɔ kple bɔla ava do ga ke miakoe be enye titinaƒola si ate ŋu azɔ ɖe ŋgɔgbe ado age hã ke le emia ƒuƒoƒe miamakoe be togbɔ be woxɔe be wòanye nka wobe se nka attacking togbɔ be woxɔe be wòanye meku kɔmkɔ yi ɖe English version agbɔ togbɔ woxɔe be wòanye nka titinaƒola eyi ke ate ŋu zɔ ɖe ŋgɔ ado age hã alo be wòanye emia kpadziƒola hã la eƒona alo eƒona nka axadzi abe aleke woɖe dzesi le nuŋlɔɖia me ne mali nenema gbɔ.
Akpe aɖekuku ame bubu aɖe hã susu bubu aɖe galia leke míata ŋlɔe wòade.
Kɔkpe ɖe míaƒo etɔ̃a nyame kpe be míata gblɔ be left backa le defense gome alo le aboƒoƒo ƒe defense gome mi yɔnɛ le ƒegome be megbe ta ne left backa ale emia kpadzi ƒom le megbe ke le akpa ma gɔmesese ava ŋdzi ɖe na mi.
Ta leke míawɔe ade míaƒe enyatia me esusu be wòade eme míakoe wɔ enyatia ɖe leke míade me be wòade.
Ok, abe le ke míaƒo ya ke ge ɖe megbe gblɔa na míagblɔ be togbɔ be wode ɖe be ne wòaƒo titina ame yi katã de sɔ ɖo ɖe ŋgɔgbe kple ame yi ke aƒo megbe emia kpadzi le megbe hã ke míagblɔ be wode ne me wòƒona ale.
Okay.
So it means that our translation is not going to be directly as the English sentence is going. Okay. We are going to translate in a way that any Ghana ball pola dengo.
Okay.
Togbobe wo de do asinebe no apo. Gake ele. So that's how we are going to rewrite it. I'm also trying to think of the way.
Okay. Ta akpe kaka aɖekuku ame bubu aɖe hã susu bubu aɖe gale esia leke míaŋlɔe wòade. Mía katã mi dzi be míakpɔ le míaŋlɔe wòade kple susu be ne mílɔ ɖe dzi ko ne míaŋlɔe zi ɖeka. Ke nu yi ta míeva ɖo ake mi ta kpɔm nɛ elabe mi dzi be míawɔ correction na nu yiwo mede o elabe mi tsoe be ame aɖe be axlẽ nu tso Christiana Atsu ŋu ye wòva type Christiana Atsu ye wòkpɔ article ya. Article ya meƒo nu tso Christiana Atsu ŋu bo ta nu vi aɖe ko anya gake akpɔ be vodada geɖe le article la me ku ɖe ale woɖe egɔme ta nu ma mi dzi be míawɔ ɖɔɖɔɖo na. Ta original article ya leke míaŋlɔ tso afi va se ɖe paragraph ƒe nuwuwu. Ne susu aɖe le asi wa atam ɖi ɖa faa atam ƒo microphone aƒo nu faa.
Aha, ta mereku heme kpɔe Christian Atsu nye Ghana vi. Ake me kpɔ be womeŋlɔ Ghana vi o. Nye Ghana vi si ƒona abo si ƒo abo dengo.
Okay.
Togbɔ be wodɔ de asi enye be wòanye attacking midfielder alo left back la eƒona axadzi ŋgɔ
But the Kukumi Jimmy there attacking me for that government ever bring left back at Katan. Plus Sube, and Yape, Nyagbe Katana no, with them. I question me. Tamye gala akpa ya kokokoko. Nye jibe mi awododo na nyakwe article ya. Nu injimi jibe mi ale nkudo efie ya nyebe leke mi atan ade jesio na na be nyagbe na nyahne go sese na no shi. Ike mi gba be punctuation marks. Leke mi atan zan ma o. Alo ne matan de jesi ma o mewa. Leke mi atan wo proof reading. Ike nye article ahahlan akpọbe edenyui le ngonglo kple xexlenu be na ma de ba hlia gomesese teto na no si alo link yo na be mia fun alo mia hlan jo article afa pa bobo nu a aleke mia wa fi atan ko ipe de article anu le pode nu me na mi le nku de article ya ma Ghana ele blue ink mu ta Ghana ya na meta shi de alo na me click de ji ya enye koga ide article bubu ike kude Ghana blibuan no menye links ma ta fifia article original article enye le fi le English dem ye translated one okay
original article ome wo link na Ghana translated wo link na Ghana
ta dododo mahala be miawe alabe Ghanaian professional footballer ko link na kakela fi na po abofola ikenye footballer mo link na yo tata doji nwenye be nya translate paragraph gbanto na mi akpo ale ononoge alabe article o la fi a za ike numo kata kuki mo la article mo nu le poden men le fi article ya fonkude akple na le nkude picture no akpobe akple article ya fonkude akple ta akpobe dododo gede hiana article ya ala be na hlia enu me de tutututu punctuation marks wo ha me level ta nu wo mi le nyebe na mi ten wa tuto a ke mesia mata akọ deka me link adogedo da group am na mesia me na akọ article adeka na wa kobe dododo ka ya wata wo chonu ta na akọ article adeka ko na nglo pen kode name of editor ta fe be we article a on ko na nglo pen kode apai ke the status the jegoma started na tashi de afia started in progress pending completed na we kwa open corner na ogbo kaminya be awe wo article ya ala be na mi lem ku da article ne ewo voa ke ya ha mi ajibe mi apochi abotana le ema wo ma ta mi wo dodo be mi na data allowance the highest editor afi ya ga peden le mobubo han okay ta mi gbova article an togbo Christian Achu ijibe mi adel paragraph ban togome hafi nemi an work the webinar ta original article paragraph ban togo yeah ijibe mi adel government original article if a translated one here ta mele nyasinu pombe nyakata nyawe ne ya translate
okay kumika kwa English to
okay English to la fi
Hello, presenter.
Aha.
Marakure. Atwa nyang a copy English text a kore vegbeto hanamia so that we will not be going back and forth trying to compare.
Amako, tami wogama lenye be na copy ga dada fi. Lo susu be akpede do mata lo susu mata. Wa woga fi filai. Ne ni akpo vegbeto. Ano English to ha pon jideka. English to ano fi. Vegbeto ano tami. Okay. Gema gbogbo ma share screen ane wakata wa jenyi. Okay. Okay. Ta article aí. Vegbeto ele etame. English to ele te.
Okay, mekpode ta merokuku mesidalo. Maijia.
Ile toji.
Okay. Achu nye abofola dengo sicho Ghana. Togbobe wododa si enyebe wapo dome ngotepe alo miame megbetepe la efuna ngo ahaji.
Okay. Akpede ofe lọ́dọ̀ do hàn ta. Lọ́dọ̀ kúkú mi àtọ̀ lẹ́kẹ́ mi pò yìí. Amadẹ́fẹ́ soso ẹ̀ máa lẹ́kẹ́ mi pò yìí. Nuka mi àtàn ga wọ̀ tí o nù. Tado jẹ́ nu yẹn bẹ́ ní a translate alo ní a dẹ̀ article yìí náà lẹ̀ English gbẹ̀mọ̀ láfi gọ̀mọ̀. Lọ́sọ̀ sọ bẹ́ lẹ́hùn hàn ya ọmọ sẹ̀sẹ̀ náà nọ sí. Ta ẹ̀yìn gọ̀mọ̀ ó dẹ̀ yé má lẹ̀ ẹ̀tàmẹ̀ lẹ́fẹ̀ gbẹ̀mẹ̀. Èmi blọ̀ bẹ́ article yìí pẹ́ gọ̀mọ̀ dẹ̀dẹ̀ ya bu dada gẹ̀dẹ̀ lẹ́mẹ̀ ẹ̀yìn mẹ́dẹ̀ tututu. Ta English tọ́ yìí níbi bẹ́ ní a dẹ̀ gọ̀mọ̀. Ya ma de ha do fe susu da fia leke mi poi
Yo nyahama tie kpo.
re ku ti to.
So makwicho fike funye ke funugba etoro.
Okay.
Ebe achunye Ghana bofola honko alo Ghana bofola dengo si fona ahaji si fona ahaji to gbo be wo hwe kun be wa nye Amerika fotitina si aton zon rengo adoge lo alo megbe ahaji lopo.
Okay. Megbe ahadi lopo. Okay. Re ku leke mi po efu ha ko.
Megbe miakof madenchi megbe miakpaji. I think that would be okay.
Ma re ku gbogbo fun ma mi ase. megbe miakpa. Ok, megbe miakpa dzi. Togbɔ be ƒona titina gake
No,
agata ƒo megbe miakpa dzi.
si wofona axadzi, wofona axadzi, togbɔ be ɖewo xɔe be wòaƒo titina ŋgɔgbe si aɖe zɔ tɔ ŋdɔ ge hã alo megbe miakpa dzi.
Ok. Eɖe kuku axadzi ɖe ŋgɔgbe alo megbe elabe ene be axadzia winga.
Winga ko ŋlɔ ɖe afi ma.
Ta axadzi ƒe ŋgɔgbe alo axadzi ƒe dodome.
Gake ɖe kɔntesi ko na mi nua, mexɔe se be ne nye be míedze si Christian Atsu in person wòƒo bɔl míekpɔkpɔa, still míatɔ gblɔ be míame ƒe axadzi.
Ok.
Ke winga lai efia be ŋgɔgbe hã etu be ŋgɔ hã wòadze le me.
Nyateƒe.
Winga minya be zi geɖe winga woƒona ŋgɔgbe. Zi geɖe winga ŋgɔgbe woƒona. Le axadzi.
Ta ŋgɔgbe
Eye
ŋgɔ
le akpa
axadzi.
ya ne le ŋku ɖe nua, womegblɔ be miakpa dzi lo alo ɖusikpa dzi o. Ne le ŋku ɖe winga nua, womegblɔ eƒe ɖoƒe o, nɔƒe yi ke wòanɔ. Womegblɔ be left winga alo right wing o. Ɖeko be winga.
Ŋgɔ axadzi.
Meku magere me. Ne be ne dzesi Christian Atsu le eƒe agbenɔɣi mea, ne ekpo eƒe bɔlƒoƒewo hã kpɔa, ema kɔna wo be eƒona emiakpadzi ŋgɔgbe hã, eƒona ɖusikpadzi ŋgɔgbe hã ɖe yiwo. Eta alewo wogblɔe be winga kɔ. Nyanya maxɔe be mia ɖe asi ŋuti be enye ŋgɔgbe axadzi. Ŋgɔgbe axadzi. Kple susu be ne mia ɖe asi ŋuti be wònye miakpadzi lo alo ɖusikpadzia, mia ɖe asi ŋuti nenema. Akpe.
Yeah, anɔ ɖi dzi.
Okay. So, Christian Atsu Tawam.
Akpe no ha. Atamfo no.
Christian Atsu Tawam Jove Ewolia Sakpe ɖeka le afa sieke vɔ yi ɖe dzodze adelia sakpe eve blaeve-vɔ-etɔ̃ nye Ghana aboƒola bibi aɖe. Togbɔ be eƒe nɔƒe koŋ le aboƒoƒo me nye axadziƒolawo nɔƒe hã, ete ŋu ƒoa domedome kple megbe miawɔlawo hã ƒe nɔƒe.
Good.
Okay. Take it again.
Ema ha nya se ntɔ. Ya tɔ leke mi koe.
Efo tɔ nya se ntɔ edze agba paa. Ha medze ma kɔ tɔnye deme kpɔ. Christian Atsu Chazam. Jove enyilia eƒe ɖeka le afa asieke blaasieke-vɔ-eve. Va ɖo dzodze adelia ƒe akpe eve blaeve-vɔ-etɔ̃lia.
Megbɔna ma xɔ ame aɖewo ɖe kame. Ame aɖewo gegem ɖe kame ta ma xɔ wo.
Okay.
Akpe. Keme trɔ va. Eko ata yi dzi sia.
Yo. Nye Ghana aboƒola de ŋgɔ si ƒo abo abe ŋgɔgbe axadziƒola ene. Ke tɔtɔ dzesi va. Togbɔ be eƒo titina ŋgɔgbe kple megbe miakpadzi hã. Ke ewunu efia be primarily la efuna ngogba haji kake aside that la efuna titi na ngogbe kple megbe miakpaji akpe
yo akpe Mariku funye ke eƒonu fia hiãtɔ edzagbagba gake mekpɔ be míatɔ rɔrɔvi aɖe le etɔ ŋuti fi ke wogblɔ be tɔtɔ dzesi lea ne míede gbɔvi dzesi ɖi alo nyalemegbe dzesia mekaɖi dzi be afi ma ana be eƒe susu yi ke gblɔm wòlea eme nakɔ nyui akpe
efia be afi yoƒom tso winga ŋu la míada gbɔvie dzesi alo
ewu nu ɖe afi aɖe ye wogblɔ be togbɔ be
ebe ne mi ɖo afi yoƒom tso ŋgɔgbe axadzi ƒo la nua ebe tɔtɔ dzesi nava ekpɔ fi ke ɔdo la ebe togbɔ be ye wogagbɔ dze gɔme tso afi ma.
mekpe ɖa ye magblɔm wole ke magbɔ akɔe ake
Okay.
Christian Atsu maɖe le tsi ŋkeke aɖe enye Ghana aboƒo la de ŋgɔ si ƒo abo abe ŋgɔgbe axadziƒola ene togbɔ be eƒo titina ŋgɔgbe kple megbe miakpadzi hã. Ta ŋgɔgbe axadziƒola ene la gbɔvie dzesi ava ke míayi ɖe dzi agblɔ be togbɔ be eƒo titina ŋgɔgbe kple megbe miakpadzi hã.
Okay. Rekule ke mi kpɔ ma.
yo akpe nya le ke mekpɔ menye be wobe he was deployed as a midfielder or back left nenye be nye nya yi ke megblɔ le ete be akpa ma me nyemede yesi be medze tutu le funye ke ƒonu fia ƒe nyamu efia mekpɔe be woxoe alo woxoe abe wòaƒo titina ŋgɔgbe kple megbe miakpadzi hã eƒona ŋgɔgbe axadzi ta nyemekpɔe be eyi ke woxoea eƒona midfield kple left back hã abe ale ke wòdze le funya ƒe numeɖeɖe alo nyameɖeɖe me va yi ene o ne manye hã mekpɔe ma akpe tame míatɔ rɔrɔ ma
akpe kaka nye hã mede dzesi nye be ya medze le ŋu alo efia be mi gbɔgblɔm le afi be kple ame aɖewo gblɔ be kple alo ye hã nye mekpɔe wòdze le akpa ma me.
Okay.
Tututu. Gake nu yi ke me notisa ɖomahi le efo yi ke ƒom fia ƒe nyanua ebe tanya yi ke medzi magblɔ ko nye primarily eƒona let me say winga wonye ko gake ɖomahi ɖe timawo ƒe ame manɔ anyi ta wova danɛ ɖe attacking midfielder yi ke nye titina ŋgɔgbe yi ke gblɔm mi le kple left back yi ke nye miakpadzi alo megbe miakpadzi ƒola ya ta ko mele gbɔgblɔ be togbɔ be eƒo titina ŋgɔgbe kple titina ŋgɔgbe alo fifia mi le lɔlɔm ɖe alo dzi alo megbe miakpadzi hã.
Okay.
Akpe, although he was deployed as a winger, although he was deployed as an attacking midfielder or left back, mekpɔm abe ɖewo gbɔgblɔ ma be alo ɖewo gbɔgblɔ na mi be woxɔe ɖe bɔlƒoha me. Togbɔ be woxɔe ɖe bɔlƒoha me abe ame yi ke aƒo titina ŋgɔgbe alo mia megbe alo megbe le mia kpadzi ene hã eƒona ŋgɔgbe axadzi geɖewu ne manya me kpɔ mi ma akpe.
Akpe. Oh, be ne me le ŋku ɖe woƒe nyanua be egakɔ nane kpi vie geɖewu. Aha.
Megagbadze be mare primarily ƒe susua kɔ dogoe.
Okay. Eme kɔ. But kuku eka Jamie Lorondo fia nema agbugba or correction ma fifi line. Nemi akwale or another. But mi blonya ofu kaka mi me tode de kaji hade o. Okay. Ada kumi ato mi la fima.
Na ko nyame do to ngare de chata me.
Okay. Me no do gada de chat afia. Plus sube ale mi kuya yangule. Emi akwaba ka Jamie Lorondo. Nemi a yengo kple aha ba ma de do na da chat me. Keme yevu gbeto kple gbeto kata do gada de chat me. Nemi o ha mi akpoi. Plus sube mi atanze akowo. Nungongolo. Okay, amade do da chat ma copy. Ema ko adada fi nemi akata mi ajure me kpo. Ta afu anoto enye ile afi yele nkude nkpo bade ewo de ka ple mi ji be mi agblo ha Christian Achu enwolo efe nkekea wetia kplepea nye Ghana abufola bibi ade otojeshi to gbo be efe no pe kun le abufufu menye ahaji polao no pe ha etenu fua dodome kple megbe miaolao ha pe no pe leke mi kwe
Mereku nyame kpe be lebe ne ƒoƒu axadzi ƒolawo nenye nya ɖeka. Axadzi ƒolawo nenye nya ɖeka gbãgbɔ.
Okay. Ke me ƒoƒu ahaji ƒolawo ahaji bubu ade galia.
Aha, mereku le yevugbetɔ ma o de ɖe fi ma be o ta le fi ke o da kple ɖoa ke miada alo ɖe fi ma alo mi kpe ɖa ne wòanyoa miakpe ɖa be manye alo miada ɖe fi ma o ha.
Alo. Okay. Me dedivo.
Le megbe mia mere kuma ma block ya hakpo. Le megbe mia wala ofe nope. Fuma de ne mia derebe megbe mia kpaji bo ngma nyuwa. Ela be do mahi amara anya mia wala center backs so how we have left footers who are center backs. You can center backs unoglo 5 and 6 or so. That 4 and 5. Gake lehe yama mia gblebe enye mia kpaji menye be emia wala ofe nopo ke bo enye mia kpaji le field e pa kpaji. Mereku alo.
Okay. Ta afebe tawe nyebe ebe mi ngo nia baji. Mereku
Mereku
me
ye
ya
nema mereku ma
nia
fan or
baji.
tane gbule mi po.
Let me damn nia baji ke de aga nyebe mi agbobe ha pe no pe ya. Nia baji ha pe no pe ya lo. Muka nia dade no wu a.
Okay, let me go ma si ta meza wala o papa na ke ni ye do wala nto so many of them is position now. It's like showing the position in the translation the TV as compared to annual wala. That's how I felt. So, but all suggestions are welcome.
Okay. Emeko. Akpede nume de ata. Efui na pomcho akpa magojide. Mereku emeko a. Alo nume de bubu adela si o na jibe akokwe ya.
Mereku le nye guma suso ike me gbule ma be domahi ameda nye le domahi America yiden mo khlepa menya football me so much ta domahi akpebe emia wala ope nope ya nye fika domahi enya be emia wala afi no na domahi enya be emia wala de han lika ku center back kake nemi gbobe le mia kpaji alo emia wala opa kpaji a anyu kake like ogble ha mese ha tome ya ta eike nya khokwa anyi no fa fiti nya khokwo nya sanya bun
Yo ke ma abia nyi no fa ba mi ikple nume dede ya na lafia mi ikple ya. Laka nyi no fa kpoi. Nya zen na anyi no fa lo de ji ya. De kuku mi ata na manya. Ata nglo yes de chatame. Alo ata nglo ba oke mi yeji nume dede yi. Wi gome de mi le yenye yi. English megbeto yi. Megbe meto yi. Ta na mi ho ya de me fia kwa ke ma ide Wikipedia ji awododo ani akpo.
mere kuma gede megbo
Mere ku
togbo
yo.
be le fima kemi nglo be togbo be efe no fe kun le abofufu menye akhaji fola wo no fe ha medemia nemi gble be akhaji fola wo fe no fe ri manya se wa alo akhaji fola wo no fe mi analyze akpama ha mi kpara ha fimia go ahead akweyi.
Okay. Akpobe elebeni ala nkuda akpama ha. Tamia to nyangro ahaji polao fe no fe alo ahaji polao no fe. Eka nye dedito a ike nyangro alo kai na clear ramade drop message ahaji polao. Okay. Ta sebe ahaji polao ahaji pola ke efia wo maga no feel ahaji pola menya ahaji polao. Nebe wo sebe agbososo modele si was plural. Then every me the word that the feed they can emiawola wo alo emiawola. Akpa mahade. Alaka mi kwe. Mama daga gede no. Ma kwe de nyafe so swam. Okay. Akpe. Ana gukumi agala nkuda akpa ya ha. Nibe ahaji pola. Alo ahaji pola ope nope. Bana miele nkuda enuam oba winga. Manye winge so. Winga. Afi ya ha. Nele nkuda nua. Ejebe left back. Manye left backs. Ta kama hama nkula ndem kobe wo alaba wo na nonu a. Okay. Enya ina bloha do ma hiele mabe wo means plural. The person in perspective is singular. Okay, emeko. Ta aka emi aza. Nemi the wo la fide ka pa yede ya da si le enua. Nemi lo deji ko nemi awo dododoa. Akpa ma fe dododo nemi le fie ya. Ala ba ndu wo ha liza. Ikemi atava le nkude nu emegbe. Okay. Ta bada kukumi lo deji a benya publish.
Meko yenye gomere wanambe yenye be ame is singular, and we are suggesting that we should remove the wolf from the ahaji pola. I think we should remove the wolf from the miawala wuha, so that it will become like so bobo fe no se kun le abufufu menya ahaji pola no se ha etinfu adomedome alo megbe miawala ha fe no se. Then it all becomes singular.
Okay. Ama hanya se.
Kaka
Mekwa
quick one abele ka gboro megbe miawola ha fe no fe. Nyata ngbrobe megbe miawola no fe ha. If be no fe ha. Menye be miawola ha o. Ha la le gbetem de no fe ajika menye miawola ji o le gbetem da bon.
Kefia be nya ko ha va ngogbe. Allo.
Mereku emia ko ha va after no fe.
Okay. Kefia be nya did a fee.
Mereku
Okay. Ke nya de wo hada.
Mereku
Kefia mi gbolan kudan po. Christian atu twasam. Jove awolia. Ba pa da ka lo fa sheke. La sheke fo fe. Ide Joje Adelia. Ba pa fe. La ba fo to. Nye Ghana abofola bibiade. To gbobe efe nope kum le abofofo menye ahadifola nope ha. Etenfua dome alo megbe miaola fe nope ha. Leke mi kwe.
anya sevire for Edward atan abe raise asita ihe na gere me fami kwera.
Ko na pum atan fu efe microphone apum fa.
Yo akpe miawale doji fiene miakata
Sie na o ha.
yo mede kuku nche dodo vide kuma pomiale kudombe tugbobe efe no pe kun le abopupu menye akaji pula no pe hala la ma ihe abe wanofuma ame mia akpɔ awa ɖɔɖɔɖo na. Mekumi sɛ ɛbɛ nya.
Medasi ɖe dzi paa.
Ya, eya ma. Togbɔ be eƒe nɔƒe koŋ le aboƒoƒo me nye ahadzikpowo nɔƒe hã la.
Nye be miada la ɖe hã.
Mele kuku ye. Ok, eya ma, ede.
Mereku before magade ya ha mekpɔ. Axadziƒola nɔƒe ɖe manye nya ɖeka wa. I'm just thinking axadziƒola nɔƒe. Gake ne wònye nya ve hã meɖo gble so much o. Gake mikpɔe ɖa. Axadziƒola nɔƒe alo ele yi ke wòle fia kple woawɔe nya ɖeka ɖi. Leke miakpɔe? For Edward hã ame sia ame mi ge ɖe me for anɔ mi gble mi kpɔ.
Mereku eleke wòle enyo.
Ok, akpe.
Maga atanga ɖe me na mi kpɔ. Hã le ŋku lém ɖe enuwo nu. Ta atanga ɖe me ne le ne kpoea. Wo hã atangblɔtɔ wo. Mesia me koe dzi be yewoawoe. Nya katã ale miawoe ne wòanyo ne wòanya se. Le susu be na ame ɖe xlẽ ɖe. Gɔmesese nyuitɔ nava mea si. Tata koe. Ne ame ɖe susu aɖe le esi alo gɔmesese yeye aɖe su esia atandoe ɖa faa. Ta ame ɖe kuku miata yi dzi a publish article la ƒe gɔmeɖeɖe ƒe akpa ya.
Enyo miata publishing.
Ok, ebe miata publishing ke mi yi ɖe nya.
Meku ŋkɔa Sam ametrɔ W kple S atati. Me va nyo bo me va ŋlɔ Tawan. Me ko ne miatɔ wɔ de le ma.
Ku akpa kai ma.
Christian Atu Tawan is to Assam.
To Assam, okay. Bakwe. Ma wododo ma. Chua Sam, okay.
Good.
Voy.
Yeah, very clear.
Okay. Every fear my copy. Every fear me the free article ale. Okay, tanemi be mia awododo na article la Wikipedia. Na huia ava free ke akpobo be edit. Zigede ano na vogbe mekake nyemenya susu ita agba do hie trovie de English bemo. Onlo na da fia be tro asile nu. Zigede akpola fi be tro asile nu. Tanemi tashi de edit dia. Be mi atro asile nu. Ta mi ala la vie na load wo kwa ke nya wo editing. Ne mi ada goma de yeye ke mi wo fia de te pa mi akpole wa no da. Akpe Bonama gbogbo load apovedi awo kabanga. Okay, tafifia awovo ta mi adoli chofi akava sere afi mi adeda tafifia mi paste na pa gomede de yiya tafifia le awowo me ale a mi jibe mi atro asile na no nu pe subo wa so ple eyine le yevugba lo English gbe me wa so ple ta mi ale nku de afi ke le gomejejia ale wonglo Christian Atu Tuasam ole ink alo amadede tutu ama nyawe la fi ha ta na mi nyawe anu mi wona nyebe nya highlight nkwa let me highlight nkwa kami da a ke enemy bold kami tashi da bold ke etro esokpli every time ya ga lan ku da nanu mfia over Ghanaian footballer ta o wa si totro le fia o je beneta si de dia attack lan chung ta mi va fi Ghana abopola footballer abopola ta ya highlight abopola let me highlight abopola mi jibe mi awo link ike jele afia kwesu sube na mede click alota si ejia watan kpule ide nyagbe abopola ta mi awo nyebe mi a copy link ike le abopola pe jesia mi a copy link ma kemi va afi kemi po nui la fia jesi la fia yenye link tana mi tasile jia mena mi naneko tamia ide external site kemi paste ya ko linki kemi po le afima kemi paste evo kemi ngo dan kefi fia apoba abopola ele blue ink me kemi gaba fi winger e ha mi awe ne nenema mi copy mi va fi ke mi ide winger ahajipola nope alomia wa ahajipola kemi ide link fi nye link ya kemi ide afi kemi paste external down eha ele blue kemi va fi mi ga po attacking midfielder eha naga we ne nenema mi gbova dome ekpe abe akwa ten kwa dome ta afi kenye kwa dome ya ide link agbo external site nemia paste link okay every mi ide megbe wola left back ya copy akpama ha need a link, you copy, you paste. Done. Ta na mi wo ya kata wa pobe na ni publish ta na wo fokwa ni na wa nyebe na publish changes a bele be na ga ye ja osusia wa afia publish ala be ado ya nya pe network etima de afu never defune ma apobe ngbogbo yike na wo a ekata tutupi o alo na network amedefu ado yi phone anto alo computer anto never do here ke nu yo na wa abu ta na mi wo mu via de ko ka mi publish ta mi attach the publish changes ke mi a publish ya ta ngro na da fia ike fia be mi wo dododo e pe da fia ta ta ngro dododo da fia lo mi ata ngo correction na ma ngro gade pe gbe mo ata ngro de English gbe me fa correction mi wo mi publish changes am okay ta pobe ni publish evo ta let me clafia ke fia esople banto ke esople banto ta nyato me ku mi kwale mi ape dodo aye gba ta doji nu enyebe article la do la fia ike komede dia ple ngonglo jesia ple nuwo o me de tututu na lenkude English gbemeto ple gbemeto nua o me de ta nu mi jibe mi awenye be atanko alo na jabagwa na ko article de kala fi na nglo nko the name of editor gbo kena je gome akobe enye je Christian Atu to gome ta nglo started that fi link ala fi me link adogada group am na mi wo fo ke click the started ke jegoma na ewenu atanglo completed yaka onyebe me jegoma ye me legita matanglo in progress ke nyepe nkwa no fi na ma wenu ko ke me ba select completed ke na nye ha me ba kpo ya ke ni awododo aji data allowance na me yo kata ajagbagba awododo ma le article ma onu mana kuku emeko kanu iwo ga mele nyebe article apa link ma do ga do da mya platform fia plus sugar amasema na tan a pomole alo I have access ne ya tanwe da ale adododo nonoge ya enyebe nyawo punctuation na fi punctuation malio nyawo aide the detour ba mistake ade galafia dot full stop ama via jele fi tale be ma gboma o pa ma ha o kama go publish aha kesu so full stop beka ne grammatical error delia nyawe ne miele nkudem yemi kpoba link ado abale ni wo link ya lafia na ma jele tepe do a nyatanwe abale ni we ne eku enyade galamada sikude mi ape webinar no a ala be miu nu imijibe mi awo ofie ya mi ejibe mi azamon popo ada pe na masia ma ike thing wododo za pe yi yo pede mi anu be mi ape afie ya pe webinar ikenye monthly webinar ekpo jijeje mega strong gede chu mi anu ogbo ha mi jibe mi anu wom jinusi adun plus sube yaga strong gede chu mi anu ogbo mi aga atu miape evegbe handle de Wikipedia pe platform aji ne enyade galamada sikude webinar no a bade kuku ne bia de lifia atambia alo na nya bubu adeli ke ne bia bia eko atan hu pe microphone abia ala ba miape yi ya egogo huhu okay ke ne nya de kemelio a majibe mazamon popo ya made akpena masia ma ike zanfa yi plenu wo ye o pede mianu o pasi dem be ya pe webinar pojijeje ta majibe maga do nkun de ka afia do ji koke ya ko gbeto ha aseda fi nu yi majibe ma do nkwenye yi magugbo ma share nu ya na ma kofia mi nu yi majibe ma do nkwenye yi oba ma da jibe afonya de bada gugu na bi afonu atanfo mi fa Okay, ke na nya da kemali yo anu imagine ma coffee anye be nye wododo ba mi a support alo mi akpede editor onu be wata edit da mi wododo be to fufu na spotlight nye be ni bi be mi ada editor ode te fe yo translation fe do cho na vana akoba zigede me dana translation fe do de platform a cho yi da to fufu na nya dada de te fe yi mo me kpona edola nya da mi afa nko de Wikipedia platform vuvu versus sube amona nya be ewe translator onyenye alo mienye aha ne mo nkpokpo adaji a watan amiasi mi ha lega ododo ba mi a akpede mi ample data allowance leke mi awa afia wo ya na mi ente njagbagba tro asile apa inu apa mi jibe mi ato asile nye yi mi wo fia mi jibe mi awe na article ya okata ta nya ha macho Christian Achupa article ta fia ba amade ha ta ncho ayike levelia alo tonlia anglo epen kode apa yi ne nglo epen ko ko ke eje gome ke nglo started afia ke eje gome ne wunwa ke ba o completed ne ma wunwa ke lenka in progress ke mienya ba ye de ka yejibe amedeka neko article deka ala be na me va ko article deka mi gbona jojo genye be baba no o mi o pe do tutum alo aba we be conflict na va amade tutu amade nwure amade tutu amade correction aba we be enu ma tu afo ta na amade cho deka ko yi onwuro nko de gbokwa ke article bubu ado hon la fi nya data ncho ta article o la fi akude edubu wo nele nkuda fufu la fi article kuda fufu la fi kake article amedeu nwonlo medeu ha afi agbeli kaklo elado na be tv ble ngubu kata o la fi kake article mo o medeu abale nye po Christian Achuto ha la fi akọ medeu ta nye pe de ba si nye be le be nye hama ajaba ba yi eji chu afia a translate afia kata adade afia kaka basede Christian Achupon ka yepe nu la fi aha la fi ova unu doi afi ova unu denye honest yepe enu yo ho aha ba unu de afia ke efia be na made ha ko article bubua ke ha awe nenema ado yi article la o manye do hia be nyangro nu ka town kake punctuation mark o medeu alo grammatical error do lemon wa ko mia correction ata correction ko wo mi na article yo kata je la fia ade ko me ko kene mi we na ma awe be article gede anya hna ameyo ava platform abeyo ahlan ncho article man ke ne enya bubu ade kemeli yo a majibe magada pe na mi ake ma aglobe egbe ha pe bokana malo egbe pe dodo odia nye pe kucho da fia ne echo kokloku atoa ke ewe Wikimedia community pa akpe madam le na mi akata dale ni glem ya pe yi glem ya pe data kple nubuwo kata ko savoy pogo mele siame akpe na mi akata ke ezane nyolo
Yo, esa niña no,